Here we are, April 27th, Saturday. Blue Angels are in town at the Vidalia Onion Festival, and I am on my tractor digging onions. I'm trying to record it a little bit. You can see the onions come up. You got a blade that cuts them up. This field's kind of weedy, but onions just come up the chain. Ground, start drying. We'll come and send the crew in here in about 3 or 4 days. They'll cut all that green top and all the roots off the onions, and we will get them to the packing shed, get them packed up, and shipped to the stores.